In 2023, a groundbreaking invention revolutionized the world, and that is ChatGPT. Within a week of its launch, this platform managed to amass an impressive 1 million users, setting a remarkable new world record. The overwhelming demand for ChatGPT unequivocally establishes it as a lucrative investment opportunity for potential investors. Join us in this video to explore various strategies for investing in ChatGPT and maximizing your financial gains. While it took Facebook approximately 10 months to accumulate 1 million followers, and Airbnb and Spotify took 2.5 years to achieve the same milestone, ChatGPT surpassed the 1 million user mark in a matter of days. This remarkable feat solidified its position as the most sought-after platform to date. But what exactly is ChatGPT, and who is the mastermind behind this innovative creation? ChatGPT is an interactive AI bot developed by the tech lab OpenAI. This chatbot can answer inquiries on various topics, compose emails, articles, and books, perform simple tasks, and even generate code. Its versatility has proven invaluable to individuals from various walks of life, including those in healthcare and education systems who have explored its potential for personal tutoring and other applications. The latest version of ChatGPT has garnered excitement and attention from bloggers, researchers, and professionals across different industries, solidifying its reputation as an invaluable tool. Before ChatGPT, OpenAI had already made waves in the AI world with their software called DALL-E, an AI capable of producing high-quality art. However, the introduction of ChatGPT took OpenAI's achievements to new heights. Now, you might wonder, how does ChatGPT function? ChatGPT is trained on a vast collection of texts, including books, blogs, journals, and other internet sources relevant to the given question or task it aims to solve. Utilizing the knowledge from this training, ChatGPT generates new text highly suitable for answering questions or providing responses. Its popularity soared due to its ability to provide detailed and remarkably human-like answers. In January 2023 alone, it attracted over 13 million unique visitors daily. It is important to note that no AI technology can entirely replace human ingenuity. Nevertheless, ChatGPT can accomplish extraordinary tasks and has garnered an immense user base. Recognizing the overwhelming demand and the strain on the ChatGPT server, OpenAI decided to monetize the platform by introducing ChatGPT Plus. Despite these changes, millions continue to utilize the application, with current statistics indicating an estimated monthly visitor count of 1 billion and a minimum of 100 million active users. This progress demonstrates the significant impact and ongoing success of ChatGPT. Imagine the substantial revenue OpenAI has generated solely from ChatGPT. Alongside their ongoing projects, it is projected that OpenAI could amass around $200 million from ChatGPT by the end of 2023 alone. This value is expected to skyrocket to $1 billion by the conclusion of 2024. Incorporating advanced AI technology within ChatGPT and its resounding success since its launch solidifies its position as an unrivaled AI software. Even Google's competitor, the Bard, failed to make a significant impact compared to ChatGPT. The competition for ChatGPT is formidable, making it a resilient and indispensable platform. Consequently, OpenAI and its shareholders can anticipate millions of dollars in returns year after year. Here's an intriguing proposition. What if you could claim a share of this lucrative opportunity? What if becoming a ChatGPT shareholder was within your grasp? Stay tuned until the end of this video as I reveal the precise steps and essential information that will help you maximize your investments and gain the best returns. But before we proceed, take a moment to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. It's a small gesture that helps us in creating educational and captivating content. Now, let's delve into how you can invest in ChatGPT. OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, is privately owned, and its shares are not available for purchase on the public market. Therefore, the primary way to invest in ChatGPT is through another company, Microsoft. You might wonder why Microsoft is the key player in this investment opportunity. Well, it turns out that Microsoft is one of the top investors in OpenAI. Microsoft has a track record of not wanting to miss out on revolutionary technologies. Over the past 2 decades, they've experienced setbacks in various technological revolutions, such as the internet and mobile domains. However, Microsoft is determined not to repeat history, evident in their significant investment of $79 billion in a competitor in the metaverse space. Microsoft's first investment in OpenAI occurred in 2019, when they injected $1 billion into the project. Initially, OpenAI had no plans to monetize and aimed to provide free access like Google or Facebook. However, the company's plans have changed, and they now operate as a capped profit organization. Microsoft made its second investment in ChatGPT in 2023, totaling an impressive $10 billion. This infusion of funds from Microsoft aimed to support OpenAI in scaling up as ChatGPT gained global popularity. Following this investment, OpenAI began offering premium ChatGPT accounts for a fee, deviating from its initial plan of being a free-to-use resource. Microsoft owns a substantial portion of OpenAI, with reports suggesting they would receive 75% of OpenAI's profits until their investment is recouped. Afterward, Microsoft would own 49% of OpenAI. It's worth noting that there is more to this collaboration than just financial gains. Microsoft's significant stake in OpenAI indicates a strategic partnership, making owning Microsoft shares equivalent to owning OpenAI shares. If you still need further persuasion, let's explore another reason why Microsoft is the go-to company for investing in OpenAI. Microsoft's Azure plays a crucial role in the operations of OpenAI. OpenAI heavily relies on Microsoft's Azure as its cloud server infrastructure. Without Microsoft's Azure, OpenAI would not exist in its current form. Now, let's explore the potential profits one can expect from investing in OpenAI. As mentioned earlier, OpenAI operates as a capped profit company. This means that there is a maximum allowable profit investors can receive from the platform. Once this limit is reached, investors will no longer receive any additional returns from OpenAI. So what exactly is the capped profit limit for OpenAI? It is set at 100 times the initial investment. For instance, if someone invests $1,000 in OpenAI, their highest cumulative profit is $100,000. In the case of Microsoft, since they made an initial investment of $1 billion, they would be entitled to a profit of $100 billion in addition to their percentage-based profits. Their potential returns are substantial, considering Microsoft's recent $10 billion investment. While this is a considerable profit, it is important to note that new investors will not have the opportunity to enjoy unlimited returns from their investments, despite the platform's longevity and the expected continued growth in returns. OpenAI has hinted that the investment returns may decrease for later investors, implying that those who invest later may receive less than the mentioned 100 times cap. Furthermore, what happens to the remaining money once an investor reaches the cap? OpenAI has stated that the excess returns would be directed toward a nonprofit organization. While this may seem noble, it does not necessarily favor investors. Currently, OpenAI is valued at over $29 billion, leading Elon Musk to describe it as a company that transitioned from an open-source, nonprofit platform to a closed-source, for-profit platform in a recent tweet. This tweet highlights the shift in OpenAI's approach. It's important to understand that the 100 times capped investment returns from ChatGPT signify that the company prioritizes factors other than maximizing investor satisfaction. To clarify, when investing in OpenAI, you are not directly investing in the company itself, but rather going through Microsoft, as Microsoft owns approximately 1/3 of OpenAI. This means that the remaining part of the company is not within the scope of your investment. Additionally, Microsoft has other software products, such as Bing, which are also included in your shares or stocks. Consequently, if OpenAI performs well, but Bing experiences a crash, it could significantly impact your return on investment, potentially leading to a loss of your invested funds. However, this disadvantage can be advantageous against the stock market because it allows for diversification. Diversifying your portfolio is essential as it helps reduce risk while maintaining potential returns. Diversification can reduce your risk by as much as 80% without sacrificing returns, ultimately improving your return-to-risk ratio by a factor of 5. Therefore, the best investment strategy involves diversifying your portfolio to achieve consistency and minimize risk. Warren Buffett, a renowned investor, emphasizes the importance of diversification as an efficient safeguard against financial harm and stock market fluctuations. When you invest in Microsoft stock, you are essentially investing in the entire Microsoft ecosystem, which includes various products like MS Office and Azure. This automatically provides diversification within Microsoft itself. Therefore, even if ChatGPT, the flagship product of OpenAI, were to encounter setbacks, your investment wouldn't result in a total loss. But that's not all. Remember when I mentioned that Microsoft's Azure powers OpenAI? Azure is also enabling other companies to leverage OpenAI's technology and develop their own tools on the cloud. Microsoft is capitalizing on OpenAI's success to attract more customers and generate increased revenue from its cloud services. This creates a significant advantage. ChatGPT has already ignited a wildfire of interests, and now numerous companies are seeking their artificial intelligence software. By using Azure, these AI-driven companies can access the same software that sparked this revolution in the first place. So, what does this mean for your investment? Investing in Microsoft can potentially yield higher returns due to the synergy between Microsoft and OpenAI's technologies. By investing in Microsoft, you benefit from its diverse product portfolio and the growth potential of Azure and its integration with OpenAI. But how can you invest in Microsoft? Well, let me guide you through the process of investing in Microsoft. Choose a brokerage firm. Create an account with a reputable brokerage firm. Various options are available, ranging from large investment platforms to smaller trading apps. Conduct your research to select a brokerage firm that best suits your needs. Fund your account. Once it is set up, you must fund it. Depending on your broker, you may need to deposit funds in US dollars. Keep in mind that most brokerages charge a small fee for transactions. Additionally, you might be required to complete a W-8 bend form before you can buy and hold shares. Find the ticker symbol. Look for Microsoft's ticker symbol, which is MSFT, on the app or platform provided by your chosen brokerage. Ticker symbols are used to identify specific stocks in the market. Place an order. Log into your account and place an order to buy shares in Microsoft. Enter the amount of money you want to invest in the company. Once the transaction is completed, the corresponding amount will be deducted from your account balance. Monitor the company's performance. It's important to monitor the performance of Microsoft regularly. Keep track of how your shares are performing, whether you're making profits or experiencing losses. This information will help you make informed decisions about adjusting your holdings or selling stocks accordingly. You can sell your holdings if you want to withdraw your profits from your shares. Search again for the MSFT ticker symbol and choose the number of shares you want to sell. Once the transaction is completed, you'll be credited with the corresponding amount. While trading directly through brokerage firms can be rewarding and hands-on, it can also be confusing and riskier, especially for first-time investors. For newcomers, it is advisable to seek the assistance of a knowledgeable agent who understands the market and can effectively manage your portfolio. They can help you determine when to take profits and when to hold on to your investments. A well-defined trading strategy is crucial for investors or traders, particularly those new to the market. It's important to have a plan in place, whether you intend to hold stocks for the short or long term. Long-term investments often yield significant returns, especially when dealing with high-potential assets like ChatGPT. Many people lack the patience to wait for their investments to double or quadruple in profits, but following a long-term vision is the key to achieving substantial gains. Billionaire investor Ray Dalio offers valuable advice. Never invest solely for short-term gains. Instead, focus on investing with a long-term vision. This approach is more likely to result in significant profits. Remember, the wealthiest investors are often the most patient ones. If you found this video helpful, do well to subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the like button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos. And we want to hear from you. Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this extraordinary journey.